Okay, so in between the last tutorial and this tutorial, I just changed some of the size and the width and the height of the platform to make them a bit thinner. So you can see it's only a 0.03 height here and here, and just a little bit longer as well, and shifted the position of the circle as well. I just think this looks a little bit better, so this is what I'm gonna run for. You don't have to have these at this position. You can do it at a different position. It's totally fine. It's your game, so it's just an option. What I am gonna do though is every time I hit the circle, it kind of goes off of the side. So I'm gonna create some boundary boxes, boundary rectangles, and then we're going to add physics to those. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a local boundary. Bottom is equal to display dot new rect, and I'm going to write do full width times 0.5. I'm gonna do full height. For the y-axis, I'm gonna do full width for the actual width, and for the height, I'm gonna do full height times 0.05. So just to talk you through this, the x value means that it's going to be at the center here. The width value here means it's going to be full width, and the height value is a y value here, means it's going to be the full height of the display right at the bottom of the screen, and the height value here means that it's going to be 0.05 the size of the actual height of the screen. Should be quite a thin platform. So save it and see if that worked. There we go. You can just about see it's a white platform, and I think for boundary boxes that's okay. So we've got the bottom one here. Let's add in the sides as well. So boundary left and boundary right. So if I want to do something on the left hand side, this is 0, so that is what the x value should be. The y value should actually be full height times 0.5. The next thing I want to do is change the width of the platform, and that needs to be full width times 0.05 because I don't want it to be too large, and the height of that platform should be the full height from the top to the bottom. So let's save that. Brilliant, we've got that working. And the one more, the right boundary, that one should be on the far right hand side, so that should be the full width of the screen. So the right hand side value, the y value should be the same in the middle here, the width should be the same as well, so quite thin, and the height of the platform should be the same, full height. So let's save that, and so we've got boundary boxes now, which is great. We just need to add physics to those, so let's add static physics to those. 2, 3, and let's add the names of them here. Boundary left, and finally boundary right. Let's save that and let's see how that comes out, and let's start this circle, and hopefully it should bounce off of the wall. Well, no need to yet. It should bounce off the floor. Brilliant, and it bounces off of that wall as well. So will it bounce off of the left wall? Let's have a quick check. There you go, it bounced off the wall. So we know all three of those boundaries are working perfectly. So let's stop there and let's continue on the next tutorial.